Infinix Hot 9 mic mouthpiece IC solution. Can you see the recording wave? It's not that deep. That means it's not working. So I'm going to the phone setting. Let's check the phone name, and so let's see this Hot 9. That's Hot 9 X655C. The first thing we'll have to do as a technician is to remove the mouthpiece. From the downboard, so we'll be able to reach the panel using the downboard. Then clip the downboard to the flex, that controls the downboard, the charging, the earpiece, and the rest of it. And this flex, just clip the downboard to it, and we use our meter to read the phone using the downboard. Now we are going to be putting one of the meter cord to the arts and using the other cord to read. So I'm reading the arts now. So that's the leg now, which is missing. So, now that's the second leg over there. And so let me use the pin. The pin is, to be precise of the work I'm doing, the pin is very sharp and pointed. So I'm reading, the other legs is reading. This is according to the to a viewer camera who watch, as a viewer who watching the video. I'm going to be choosing it from left or right. So the point I'm reading now is my left. The left is working. Can you see, guys? The left is working. Now to my right, the right is not reading. So that's the 40 area. So now to my art is reading. So the missing parts in this mouthpiece is the leg, or the contact point from my right hand side. Now tracing, we are going to be tracing all the legs, the two legs to the board. Let's see if all the legs are reading. Now I'm tracing the reading parts, the left one. Let's see. So now we've gotten the left one. You see, yeah, that's it there. So we've gotten the left one. It's close to the power IC. Very close to the power IC. Now let's check for the missing parts. The right one, which is missing, let's check that hand. Do you see? That's the point. So that's the point, and that's the point of the mouthpiece. That means the flex is okay. This, what we just did now, just shows us that the flex in this phone, the flex that takes the mouthpiece from the downboard to the main panel is working. That means the flex is okay. It's an IC issue. So that's the IC there. So that's the IC which is reading, which signifies the missing part of the mic. So let's see. So that the other one over is the one is close to the power IC, which I told you about. I think the third IC there from the power IC. So that's the one that controls the one from the left hand side, which is reading. But the one which we are looking for now is the one from our right hand side, so which we've already gotten the IC. So what we'll do here is just bridge the IC. That's from this most occasional this kind of issue. The IC is let me say it's weak, or maybe it can happen as a result of fall or maybe water damage. So the IC is weak. So what we just do here, we just to bridge the IC. We just take your running wire, touch your lead, and bridge the IC. That's all. Then to be sure of the work, don't just relax. So we have to read it again. So we just bridge the IC. So that's the jumper wire which I used to bridge IC. Can you zoom it for you guys? Can you see, guys? So now we are going to be reading the point. Let's see. You see the art is reading. The art is reading properly. Now to the point which is not reading for line. You see the right is reading now. Now to the left. The left is also reading. All the three legs are reading. So now we are going to be replacing the mouthpiece back. The mouthpiece which we removed earlier on, if you remember, for us to be able to, to reach the missing leg and run the jumper, we have to remove the mouthpiece. So we're going to be replacing the mouthpiece back, and we need a picker to do this work, a sharp picker, and you need to control your hand blower in a heat, in a normal heat, and your air. The air always could blow off the mouthpiece, so you need to regulate it properly. And so okay, the work's done. So that's the jumper. So guys, you guys asking for the jumper, that's the jumper there. That's the yellow points is jumper. So then guys, can you see, guys, this when I'm recording now, you see it's working. Can you see how deep the sound waves goes? That's signifies it's working. So that's the jumper there. So guys, the jumper. So but after the video, I'm going to be cutting the long part of the jumper left over, cutting it out with my razor. This is where I like comments.